Hello everyone, today we will discuss new current affairs of January month. Question number 1. Which country has topped the list of sending the greatest number of educated migrants to OECD countries? Answer will be India. What is the full form of OECD? Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Next question. Which organization appointed Sandeep Kataria as the CEO? Answer is Bata. Next question. Which petroleum company launched India's first 100-octane petrol, also known as XP100? Answer is IOC. What is the full form of IOC? Indian Oil Corporation. Next question. Punjab National Bank developed the launch PNB lens for what purpose? Answer is loan management. Next. Indian men's football team has been ranked at which place as per the FIFA in 2020? Answer is 104th. Question number 6. Which state is all set to establish its 6th national park, the Raimona National Park in the Ripu Reserve Forest? Answer is Assam. So it can be asked, where is Raimona National Park? Answer is Assam. What is the India's rank in 6th Financial Secrecy Index? FSI. Full form is Financial Secrecy Index. What is the rank of India? 47th rank. Question number 8. Which bank has launched the overdraft scheme Krishi for the benefit of farmers? Answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Question number 9. What is the name of the new mobile app launched by ICICI Bank for offering banking service? Answer is iMobile Pay. Next question. First rock samples from beneath the surface of asteroid Ryugu was collected by which spacecraft? Answer is Hayabusa 2nd JAXA. It is from Japan. JAXA full form is Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Question number 11. Who became the youngest athlete ever to be named as a World Athlete of the Year 2020? Answer is Mondo Duplantis. Mondo Duplantis. Next question. Who became the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race during the 2020 Sakir Grand Prix? Answer is Chehan Darubala. Where did scientists start a project of radio tagging vultures? Answer is Panna Tiger Reserve. Do you know where is Panna Tiger Reserve? Is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who is the Minister of Railways? Answer is Piyush Goyal. Where is Machu Picchu located? In Peru. Machu Picchu site is in Peru. Where is Shivalik Elephant Reserve located? Answer is Uttarakhand. Where is the Mount Semeru, an active volcano, located? In Indonesia. Riang tribe belong to which Indian state? Answer is Tripura. Riang tribe lives in Tripura and Mizoram both. Question number 19. World's largest river island, Majuli, to have new cricket stadium of its own. Where is Majuli land located? Answer is Assam. Question number 20. Who is the president of Asian Development Bank? Masatsugu Asakawa from Japan is the president of Asian Development Bank. Which bank has launched the Atmanirbhar Women scheme? Answer is Bank of Baroda. Forbes 100 Influential Women 2020 ranked Nirmala Sitharaman at which position? Answer is 41st. Nirmala Sitharaman is the Finance Minister of India. Which event will make its debut at the 2024 Summer Olympic in Paris? Answer is break dancing. Next question. What is the name of mobile app launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for monitoring COVID-19 vaccine delivery? Answer is CoWIN. Next question. Shaheen Eagle IX, the Joint Air Force exercise, was conducted between which two countries? Answer is Pakistan and in China. What is the name of project launched by Union Cabinet to boost employment? Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar. Which company has partnered with Yes Bank to provide premium credit card in India? Answer is MasterCard. Question number 28. Who is the author of book The City and the Sea? Answer is Raj Kamal Jha. Which country became the second to plant their national flag on moon's surface? Answer is China. Who is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare? Dr. Harshvardhan is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Which organization released the book Putting Farmers First? Answer is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Next question. Where will the first largest scooter manufacturing factory to produce electric vehicle be built by Ola? Answer is Hosur, Tamil Nadu. In Hosur, Tamil Nadu, Ola company is the largest scooter manufacturing factory to produce electric vehicle. Next question. Which state has become first to modernize the fire safety certification process completely through its portal? Fire Safety Corp. Answer is Gujarat. Who has won the 11th edition of Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2020? Answer is Ashraf Patel. Next question. When is the National Energy Conservation Day celebrated annually in India? 14th December. Which is the highest peak in Mizo Hills? Answer is Phongui, Mizoram. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Environment Programme located? Answer is Nairobi, Kenya. Who is the chairman of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Answer is Subhash Chandra Kuntia. Where is the headquarters of International Judo Federation located? Budapest, Hungary. Who is the Prime Minister of Portugal? Answer is Antonio Costa. What is the currency of Myanmar? Answer is Kyat. What is the tagline of ICICI Bank? Answer is Hum hai na khayal aapka. Question number 43. Who is the chairman of World Economic Forum? Answer is Klaus Schwab from Germany. Where is the Losar, a New Year festival celebrated every year? Answer is Ladakh. Where will be the International Hockey Federation's Men's Hockey World Cup 2023 conducted? Answer is Odisha, India. In 2020, Hockey World Cup will be in Odisha, India. What is the name of digital payment app launched by Department of Post and India Post Payment Bank? Answer is Dark Pay. Which zoo became the first in India to receive ISO 9001-2015 certification? Answer is Nehru Zoological Park in Telangana. Where is Nehru Zoological Park? In Telangana. Which bank has approved 4 Indian projects worth over $800 million? Answer is World Bank. Which sport was formally recognized by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports as competitive sport in India? Answer is Yogasana. Which state has signed an MOU with British Council to increase bilateral cooperation in higher education sector? Answer is Karnataka. Who is the governor of Mizoram? Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Where is the headquarters of World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, located? Answer is Montreal, Canada. Where is the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium located? Answer is New Delhi. In which state does the World Heritage Site Bodh Gaya located? In Bihar. World Heritage Site Bodh Gaya in Bihar. What is the capital of Vietnam? Hanoi. Which manufacturing company received Green Channel status from the Ministry of Defense? Answer is L&T Defense. L&T Defense is Larsen and Toubro company. Number 57. To mark an centenary celebration of which university PM released a special postal stamp? Answer is Aligarh Muslim University in UP. Which company will become the world's first company to produce a green vaccine? Answer is Serum Institute of India. Question number 59. Who authored the book The Light of Asia, the poem that defined the Buddha? Answer is Jairam Ramesh. Next question. Who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the Minister of Jal Shakti. Who became the MD and CEO of Yes Securities India Limited? Answer is Prashant Prabhakaran. When was National Good Governance Day observed annually? Answer is 25 December. On the birthday of our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, we observed National Good Governance Day on 25 December. Who is the CEO of Punjab National Bank? S.S. Mallikarjun Rao. Where did PM Modi virtually launch India's first driverless operated train? Answer is Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Who won the Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade 2011 to 2020? Answer is Virat Kohli. Question number 66. Who received Scientist of the Year Award 2018 by DRDO on December 2020? Answer is Hemant Kumar Pandey. What is the full form of DRDO? Defense Research and Development Organization. Raksha Anusandhan and Vikas Sangathan. Next question. Which country recently launched a new remote sensing satellite Yogasan 33R? Answer is China. Which is India's first city to have fulfilled 100% of its energy needs during the day with solar energy? Answer is Diu. Where was India's first pollinator park inaugurated in December 2020? Answer is Haldwani in Uttarakhand. When was World Braille Day annually observed by United Nations? On 4th January. World Braille Day is observed. Which is India's first of its kind digital platform for ocean data management? Answer is Digital Ocean. Where is the Ahmad bin Ali Stadium located? Answer is Qatar. Across Bith River is the world's tallest rail bridge being constructed? Answer is Chenab River. Who is the governor of Haryana? Answer is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Question number 75. Where was India's first hot air balloon wildlife safari launched? Answer is Badavgarh Tiger Reserve. Who is the present CEO of Tesla company? Answer is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla company. Next question. Which stadium was renamed Arun Jaitley Stadium? Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium is in New Delhi. Where was the Rafale fighter jet of India and France planned to carry out exercise SKYROS? Answer is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. When was Global Family Day celebrated annually? On 1st January. Be observed Global Family Day. Who became the first woman chairperson of SAIL? Answer is Soma Mandal. Which organization released the booklet Building an Atmanirbhar Bharat? Answer is Ministry of Railways. Which country will join the Five Eyes to respond against the threats faced by Uyghurs? Answer is Japan. Question number 83. What was the permissible trans fatty acid level in oil and fat set by FSSAI for 2021? Answer is 3%. Where was the 450 km long natural gas pipeline constructed by GAIL? Answer is Kochi, Mangaluru. Which country is planning to launch world first wood-based space satellite by 2023 to combat the problem of space junk? Answer is Japan. Modibo Kita, who passed away recently, was the former prime minister of which country? Mali. Which state announced the Kisan Kalyan Mission aimed at doubling farmer income? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. The CM of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, launched a new scheme, Kalyan Kisan Mission. Next question. Who was appointed as the first Deputy General Secretary of All India Football Federation? Answer is Abhishek Yadav. Where did the second day Asian Butterworth Census 2020 commence on January 2021? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 90. Between which state did the world's first double-stack long-haul 1.5 km container train has done its inaugural journey? Answer is Haryana, Rajasthan. The world's largest floating 600 megawatt solar energy project is under construction at which dam on Narmada River? Answer is Omkareshwar Dam. Who is the Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare? Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar is the Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Who was appointed as the first full-time director of RBI's The College of Supervisors? Answer is Ravi Narayan Mishra. Ravi Narayan Mishra. When was World Day of War Orphans observed annually across the globe? Answer is 6 January. Who authored the book India's 71-year test, The Journey of Triumph in Australia? Answer is R. Kaushik. Question number 96. Where will the first Center of Excellence of Flipkart be set up in partnership with Logistics Skills Sector Council? Answer is Bengaluru. What was the GDP growth of India for financial year 2020-21 estimated by the National Statistical Office? Answer is 7.7%. Which organization received DRDO's prestigious Defense Technology Absorption Award? Answer is Centum Electronic Limited. When was Marathi Journalist Day observed annually? Answer is 6 January. 6 January, Marathi Journalist Day is observed. When will India's first solar mission expected to be launched as per ISRO's plan for the decade 2021 and 30? Answer is 2022.